Hi, my name is Liesbeth Jusia and I'll be in Lisbon again to do the workshop Intuition in Daily Life. Now, intuition isn't something spooky or supernatural because we're all born with it. So it's part of who we are, it's part of our essence, and it's part of our true nature. Intuition also means to me tuition from within. So you're learning from yourself. Do you know yourself? Do you trust yourself? And more importantly, do you accept and love yourself for who you are and your potential? Now, I've been working in international commercial organizations for more than 30 years, of which as a legal counsel for more than 10 years. So I had to use my mind. But most of the decisions I've made, privately and professionally, were based on something else. They were based on trusting myself and allowing myself to be me, still aware of everything and everyone I'm connected with. Now, that's not always easy, especially in this day and age where the focus of so many people is on the outer, material and physical world, rather than the inside and inner world. I am gobsmacked by the amount of time people spend on these things. You know, you can get as many likes as you want, but the biggest question is, do you like you? Are you accepting you? Are you showing your true self rather than maybe some fake identity? And this is an important thing because this world is changing rapidly. So the way we live, but also the way we work. And within the labor market, there's a demand and a need and a want for soft skills, which means you have to show that you're at ease with yourself, to show personal leadership, to be adaptable, to be flexible, to be resilient, no matter what. Wow, that's quite a challenge, isn't it? So this workshop will help you to explore yourself and learn more about you, to help you gain a stronger sense of self, to tap into the bigger picture of information and inspiration once you allow yourself to put the focus on you rather than the outer world. So come and join me in March in Lisbon. I'm really looking forward to it and I hope to see you there. Teja, beijinhos, and take care. Bye bye.